Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about cleaning the string, and today I'm going to introduce the len or length function. So first of all, I type the structure. So the first one is select from, and here for from I have to extract the table here. My table, so it's my table, and here the last one is where that sometimes we need it and sometimes we don't need it. So here I want to find the length of the country, so I just come here under the select, I write here length, and here I type country as letters in country, and here run. So here you can see the result. Just in number 10 we have 3, and also here in 25 we have 3. So I want to see these two results here, so I just clean this, type here country, and here I add where length country greater than 2, and run. Here you can see we have just the USA here, this the USA. So now if I change it to just 2, equal to 2, run. Yes, so we have the US. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.